It means every day you get a chance to change your life and make it more meaningful. Simply leave behind problems of the past and concentrate on new daily life